one of the strongest tools that I have discovered that helped me the most to be able to keep signing new members, paying me $97 per month for my Skool membership program, is being able to be building a list of interested people. If you can make a list or build a list of interested people, then you can reach out to them, or you can talk to them, or you can guide them to them becoming your paid member. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a list of interested people, how you can write some interested people down, and how you should then start reaching out to them or talking to them so you sign them into your $97 per month membership program. This video is part of my free course that I have in my free Skool community. Find the link down below. You can join my free Skool community and get access to the full course where I teach you how to sign the first 5 people paying you $97 per month for your life coaching, group coaching membership program. And I also teach you in this course how to create your offer, how to create your course, how to open the Skool app platform so you can host all of the new members coming to you and you can charge them monthly fees, right? And then we focus on how to sign the first 5 people into your membership program. Enjoy this lesson. Make sure to get into my free Skool and I'll see you there. Let's get into the lesson now. Your task now will be to write down 20 plus people, 20 to 30 people who you think that could benefit from your membership solution. I am giving you here an empty Excel document into which you're gonna be writing people down. This is how this document looks like. And in here, you're gonna start putting some names down. You see, we wanna write enough people down, 20 to 30 people who we will be able to reach out to and then talk to. When you click this link that I'm giving you, you're gonna create a copy of your Excel document to your Google Drive, your computer, right? And I want you to take this link and bookmark it into the bookmarks bar here, so you can always be accessing it and knowing who you are talking to, okay? And if you are in my VIP Premium Life Mastermind membership, you will be able to write contacts down into your CRM software that I gave you. So you don't need to use the Excel document, rather just write them directly onto your contacts list, email marketing software, right? So you put them there directly. We're gonna manage the pipeline there, and we will talk to people out of that software instead. But if you don't have a CRM software yet, just keep it so simple. Use this Excel document that I gave you. Now here is the task. For the next 15 minutes right now, you would want to sit down here right now and focus. I want you to start writing some contacts down to this Excel list that I am giving you. Here we're gonna need to start building the list of people who we think that would benefit of our program. And you're gonna start writing down anyone who you already know of from top of your mind who you think would need to hear about your membership program. Think about people from your existing network right now, and think about anyone of your previous clients, of people who you worked for free in the past, or people who asked you any kind of questions of how to, let's say, lose weight or spiritual grow, right? Think about 1, 2, 3, 4 people right now from top of your mind and write them down. Don't even think about what you're gonna say to them yet. Just write down some people who you think that this program could benefit them, right? So write 3 to 4 to 5 people down right now. Secondly, you're gonna go and check any of your existing lists. Probably you already have some kind of a Facebook group, or maybe you have built an email list, or you have previous clients, right, as I already said, or you have some phone contacts, or you are part of some kind of WhatsApp communities or any kind of mini forums. If you are part of any of kind of those places, or if you have any lists, you're gonna scan through those lists right now. Maybe you are part of any kind of other Facebook groups that you don't even own, and you're gonna want to go through those members of those groups. And I want you to just transfer people's names and put them here, right here, John, whatever, right? Name. You're gonna link here the link to his, let's say, Facebook profile or wherever you can reach out to them, or put his email here, right? Point of contact, right? Or put his phone number here, right? A way of how you could later on reach out to this person, right? Start writing some people down, because in the next lessons I'm gonna teach you how you will reach out to them and get on a call with them to talk to them and help them and sign them then into your program as well, right? Now, understand this. If you have been posting any kind of social media content on Instagram, Facebook group, LinkedIn, or any other places, probably some people are following you already, right? Or maybe you have friends or so, right? You will want to write those people down as well. You would want to scan through your Instagram followers, for example, and spot a few and write them down. You would want to check your last months of content pieces, content posts that you put out there, and see who was liking them, who was commenting. You're gonna write those people down as well to this list right now, right? So later we can reach out to them and we can connect with them further. I will teach you those next steps, but right now just put, please, the name down here. Don't be scared of what's gonna happen next in any way. Just write people's names down. And yes, don't write down here your mother's name and your sister's name or your friends, family. Just avoid them. I don't want you to reach out to friends and family. I want you to reach out to people who would actually maybe benefit from your program. And that is an advanced way right now that I have to share with you, because a lot of people say to me, hey, I don't have anyone in my network right now, right, that I could write down. Then I want you to go to this lesson here in my course, and I'm gonna teach you how you can join some kind of places where people are already hanging out, they're already asking questions, they already want problems to be solved, and you're gonna go into those places, for example, another Facebook group, right, and you're gonna make connections with new people in those places there, and you're gonna then write those people down on your list, right? Please complete this task right now. This is the key task. If you fail here right now, we will never get to 5 members paying you then later, right? I need you to write 5, 10, 15, 20 people down right now, or as many as possible. Gather your stuff here together. Some people have email lists of 300, they have Facebook groups of 300. Gather those places right now and note them here in the Excel document, so then you can get back to me and we can talk further now how we're gonna reach out to these people and sign them into your program, how we're gonna talk to them, right, and see if they are the right fit for your program. Do this, complete this task right now. If you have any questions, go to our community section of our school and ask your questions there, or simply DM me and I'm gonna, to be honest, help you out. Let's go.